This video is going to walk you through pairing your Mighty Mule GDO to an Android device. First, you're going to click on the Mighty Mule app. Then you're going to click Add Device, assuming you're signed in already. You're going to click your garage door. You're going to click on your local access point that you're going to pair your garage door to. Press Next. Already entered my password. If you haven't entered that, you'll enter that. Click OK. Then what you're going to do next is you're going to press and hold the center pairing button for 4 seconds until it starts blinking. Let it go. Then you're going to switch your Wi-Fi network. You should see your GDO access show up. Click on that. Click Connect. And you're going to go back to your Mighty Mule app. Then you're going to switch your Wi-Fi network back to your local access point, which will be the one you signed into. You click Connect. You go back to your Mighty Mule app. It'll register the device. The LED green on the wall station will be turned green, and then you've paired your device. Just name it Garage. Click Finish, and then you see your device show up, and then you'll see the GDO over here turn on. Hope this helps. Thank you.